What's going on, RecTeq family? So today I'm going to show you how to get into the systems test menu so that you can turn on the fan so that you can cold smoke cheese or whatever else that you want to cold smoke. So usually you cold smoke with one of these. It's like a smoke tube. You fill it with pellets, you light it, let it smolder and start smoking, and then you put it inside. You could either put it under the deflector plate or under the drip tray, wherever that you like, that you're comfortable with. You can even, if you have a smoke box, you can even set it up on the grates and then put your food or cheese inside there. And now the next thing to do is get to the menu for the fan, and in order to do that, your grill has to be plugged in but off. So while the grill is off, you hold the settings button for a few seconds. So you see the settings button, then you hit the power button one time. You see all these displays show up. Now you can hit the power again and you can cycle through. This is your auger setting pellets, and then there's your fan. So you can just hold it on the screen and your fan will continue to work, and you'll have no heat. It's only your fan turning on. So that's how you turn it on. And then of course, to turn it off, just cycle back through until it says bye, and then hit your settings. Alright, so I'm trying to get the aperture to focus. Hit the setting button and then just hold it, and then it turns off.